Hey folks, how's it going? I hope you're well and welcome to this video. This week's video is a remake of the fitting lights to the high-speed passenger train. The old video I did back in 2015 was done on old equipment and the sound quality is really bad. I get comments on it all the time saying I can't hear anything, etc. So I thought I would redo it. This is a completely unmodified 60051 powered car. And these are the lights, so I will go through how to fit it and give information on the parts needed for it. Okay, so let's just crack on. So here we have an unmodified engine from 60051 and we have the lights. The lights are part number 8870. You can get those from the Lego Shop at Home website. They're fairly reasonably priced. In the UK it's £5.49 at the time of filming this video, which is August 2017. And this train is a really nice one from a design perspective because they made room for the lights and for installing the lights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the canopy off. Front canopy, it comes off all in one. So these little bits here, this is where the lights actually fit, but we need to get them all the way back to the IR receiver. So take these two bits of roof off, and this is the IR receiver, and it just comes out in a one, so it's nicely designed. And inside there you see we've got a clear run all the way through to where the lights are going. Now there's this little tile piece here with one stud, and this is where I'm going to place this black block here from the lights with the cables with the lights facing forward. So I'll put that in. And these cables can just go through here to the front for the moment. Now the next part is we just need to place these lights in the pieces at the front. So these pieces here, you can see they've got the little holes in. It's just big enough for the lights to go in. So there we have the lights fitted to the front of the train. And now I'm just going to thread these cables just under these red pieces here. Underneath like that. And then just run the cables all the way back so they go through the middle of the train. And from there, once that's done, you can just put the IR receiver back on, and that keeps all those cables nice and tidy in the center there. So there you go. That's what it should look like afterwards. It's a bit of a mess up here, but that's all right. We can sort it out now, and we just push the extra cables down. Now this is the light cable. You've got two choices really. You can add it to this part, which is the connector to the motor, so your lights will come on when the train is running and they will go off when the train stops. Or what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to add them to the blue side of the receiver, and that means I can turn the lights on and off independently of whether the train's running or not. So I'm just putting them there. I just tuck all the cables in like so. Put that down. Put the roof back on. And the canopy back on. It should, if all the cables are in the right places, should just go on nicely. And there we have the finished article. So here I have a controller. It's set to channel 1, which is the same as the train. I just need to see if it's turned on. Okay, so the motor's working, you can hear that. And that's on the red channel, but on the blue channel we should see the lights light up, and there you go. On, off, on, off. That's on the separate channel there, on the blue channel. And there you go, that's how to fit lights to set 60051, the engine at least. If you found this video useful, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then click subscribe. There is a town update coming, hopefully next week. I was working on it last weekend, but I didn't have all the pieces I needed to complete the work that I wanted to do, so I needed to go and get those, and then I'll be working on the video and the update this weekend as well. So yes, hopefully next weekend there should be a town update coming out. Again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.